Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Azure Active Directory for Microsoft 365 single sign-on, full guide step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Once logged in, locate and select Azure Active Directory from the left-hand navigation menu. In the Azure Active Directory menu, navigate to Enterprise Applications. Click on New Application at the top of the Enterprise Applications pane. In the Add an Application window, use the search bar to find Office 365. Select Office 365 from the search results. Once selected, click the Add button to add the application to your Azure Active Directory. After the application is added, you will see its settings page. Next, navigate to the Single Sign-On tab located in the left-hand menu of the application settings. Choose SAML as the single sign-on method. In the basic SAML configuration section, click on the Edit icon. Enter the required values for the following fields. Set the identifier, entity ID, to https://s. Set the reply URL to https://login.microsoftonline.com/login.srf. Set the sign-on URL to https://yourtenantname-admin.onmicrosoft.com. Replace your tenant name with your actual tenant name. Ensure that the logout URL is set to https://yourtenantname-. Next, scroll down to the User Attributes and Claims section. Here, click on Edit and ensure the following claims are set. The name claim should be set to user.userprinciplename. Add any additional claims as necessary based on your organization's needs. Click Save again to ensure all your configuration is retained. Now, move to the SAML Signing Certificate section. Download the certificate, Base64, file for later use. Scroll down to find the Setup Office 365 section. Take note of the provided tenant ID and other relevant URLs. In a separate tab, log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to Settings and then select Domains. Ensure that your domain is added and verified. Next, go to Users and then Active Users. Select a user to configure SSO settings. Click on the Edit option next to Authentication Methods. Choose Single Sign-On and then input the necessary SSO values from your Azure configuration. Ensure to enter the appropriate redirect URL as set in your Azure configuration. Confirm by clicking Save Changes. Once saved, test the Single Sign-On setup. Log out of your Microsoft 365 account. Try signing in using your Azure Active Directory credentials. If successful, your Azure Active Directory is now configured for Microsoft 365 single sign-on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.